Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelechi Elebere Franklin, and in this video today I'm going to share with you how you can be able to start your own YouTube channel with less than $120. Yes, $120. That is 50,000 naira in Nigerian currency. You can be able to start it on your own. You know, many people think that before you open a YouTube studio or you start up a YouTube channel that you need one big camera or studio before you start up your own YouTube channel. But the truth is, you don't need a very big camera and you don't need a very big gadget before you start up your own YouTube channel. With your low budget, you can start up your own YouTube channel. Yes, so this video will be useful for all those who will love to start up their own YouTube channel in 2022. So all you need to do is to stick right to this channel, as I'm going to share with you everything you need in order for you to start up your own YouTube channel. First of all, you need to understand that YouTube is a very big platform. There's a very possibility that with YouTube you can be able to go far, or you can be able to sell your own business or what you do, and it will go a very long way. There's a lot of opportunity here on YouTube, and I promise you that if you venture into it, you'll be able to make a lot of success, and you will be grateful for that. So if you are a business person, or you are a marketer, an entrepreneur, or you do anything online, actually you can start up your own YouTube channel here in Nigeria with as low as 50,000 naira. So this video is one part. I will be sharing with you every single detail that you need in order for you to start up right now. So I'm going to share with you every tool you need and everything you need in order for you to get started. So the part 2 will be about the software and how to make it up. If you love what I'm about to share with you, all you just need is to go to the subscribe button, click on the subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up, and in the comment section please type YouTube in order for us to create an algorithm for this video. If you are in Nigeria or anywhere you are and you would love to start up a YouTube channel and you have a low budget, all you just need to get started is your phone. Yes, your phone. Yeah, your phone. With your little phone or with your smartphone, you can be able to start up your own YouTube channel. Your smartphone can serve as a camera to you in order for you to get started. So you don't need a very big camera, or you don't need a very big gadget per se in order for you to start up your own YouTube channel, because a lot of people have the mindset that before you start up you need one big camera and all of that. But with your little smartphone you can be able to get started, and it will go a long way, especially for you who have a low budget in order for you to start. I know a lot of people in YouTube today who are running their YouTube with their phone, and ever since they have been using it and they are making wave and they are making success in what they are doing. This video I'm shooting right now, I'm using my phone to do it. Yes, I'm using my phone to shoot it. So if you are thinking that you need a very big camera in order for you to get started, that's not true. No, you can use your phone to get started. But if you know that you have a high budget, or you are buoyant enough to get started, you can start up with an entry level camera. Yes, you can start up with the Canon M50 or the Canon 200D. All these are entry level camera that can be able to give you good picture quality in what you are doing. So all you just need to get started is have a smartphone first. That which is the number one thing. A smartphone will be able to capture what you are going to do, or capture your face per se, and give you the picture quality that you need. So when you have a phone that can be able to capture you, you will see that you will be able to get the result that other people are getting. So you can shoot a video on your own. A lot of people do TikTok videos and all of those things with their phone. So you too can also do that. Use your phone, set it, and it will be able to give you what you are. Number 2 thing I'm going to mention that you'll be needing is a tripod. Yes, a tripod. A tripod is a stand that can be able to hold your phone, that you can be able to use in holding your phone in order to stabilize picture quality. And this tripod I'm talking about, it can be a phone stick. You can call it a phone stick or a phone stand that can be able to hold your phone. so that you know it will not be possible that you'll be shooting a video and you're holding the phone in your hand and this video is shaking and shaking. It will not make sense. So all you just need is a tripod or something that can be able to hold your phone and make it to be standing in order for you to capture what you are doing. So with your phone and a tripod is not expensive. You can get a tripod for as low as 10,000 or 12,000 naira, depending on the type of tripod you are getting. And a lot of tripod they are doing right now have a light together with it. So with 10,000 naira or 12,000 naira, you can be able to get a good tripod. A tripod can serve two purposes: to hold your phone and also to give you lighting. So this is what you need. 12,000 naira, you can be able to get a good tripod. You can order it on Jumia, or you can go to any store that they sell it. So all you just need to do is to have a budget, buy that tripod, use it to set your phone so that it can be able to give you good picture quality. The next thing you will be needing is sound. Sound is very important. The truth is, even if you have a good picture quality and people are not hearing what you are saying, you end up not communicating or not passing the information. People will not enjoy what you are saying. Yes, you need a sound that can be able to transmit or give you good picture quality or good sound quality in order for your message to be passed through. You can start up with Boya Lav Mic. Yeah, Boya Lav Mic serves two purposes. You can use it in your camera. That is for people who are using camera. You can also use it on your phone. This Boya Lav Mic brings out a lot of people who run YouTube channel also use Boya Lav Mic. And as I'm talking to you, I'm using a Boya Lav Mic to talk to you. Yes. So for you to hear me very clearly right now is because I'm using a Boya Lav Mic. So as you can see it on your screen, that's how it is. So the Boya Lav Mic is not that expensive. With 10,000 naira, you can be able to get it. Yes, with 10,000 naira, you can be able to get it. So when you have your sound fixed, very clear, people will be able to pass your message across to your audience or people who are listening to you. So the first thing I first of all mentioned that you need a phone, which is your camera. You also need a tripod which can help in holding your camera for stability to picture you. Then the third thing I just mentioned now is your sound, which I say that you can get the Boya Lav Mic, which can be able to serve you that purpose in order for you to communicate or pass your information. The fourth thing I'm going to mention is lightning. Yes, lightning. Lighting is another thing that you need in order for you to be able to shoot or make your video clean, brighter, and nice and beautiful. Sometimes you want to shoot at night, and in order for your video to be very clean, very bright, and very perfect, you need lighting or light in order for your picture or for your video to be perfect. And a lot of people use lightning. In fact, as I'm shooting this video right now, I'm using lightning. That is what makes the brightness of what I'm doing. Many people sometimes they will love to shoot in the daytime and they don't have lights. Your picture can be fine, your camera can be nice, but when you don't have the lightning, it will not bring out the beauty of what you are doing. So sometimes you will love to shoot at night and you will need the light in order to bring out the brightness. What some people do is that they shoot in the daytime, they will open their windows and the light from outside or the light rays from outside will start picturing or start giving them the light that they want. But sometimes it is not as perfect as when you have a light facing directly to you and bringing out the picture quality that you need in order for you to shoot your video perfectly. One of the lights that I'll be recommending to you is the ring light, the most popular light that people use today. People who do TikTok videos and other videos that they do, they use ring lights. Yeah, the ring light is not that expensive. You can order it on Jumia or you can go to retailer stores, people who sell it. You can get it as low. It's not expensive. They have different sizes. They have the 10 inch, 12 inch, 15 inch, 18 inch, different sizes with their different prices. The 10 inch should be around 10,000 or so. then the 12 inch should be around 18,000, then the 18 inch should be around 36,000 or 35,000. The 15 inch should be around 23,000 or so. So whichever one that your hand can be able to reach, you can be able to afford it, you can get it in order for you to get started and start shooting. So that is what you need. So these are some of the things you will be needing, or some of the tools you'll be needing in order for you to shoot your video or to get started as a YouTuber. Then the very important thing that you will also be needing, that is most important, is the apps or the software in which you'll be using for your editing. Yes, editing is very important when it comes to video and when it comes to shooting. There is no YouTuber today that shoot videos that does not make mistake, or in fact a lot of blunders when it comes to making videos. And if you don't know how to edit, you'll find it difficult and you will not be able to pass your message very properly. This video I just shot now, it was edited, so you will see that you need to know how to edit. Sometimes it can take a whole day for you to edit a video to get it perfectly, but it's worth it. So all you just need to do is to have some apps that can be able to help you in order for you to make good video editing, and at the end of the day your production will be perfect. So one of the the apps I'll be mentioning that you'll be using is the InShot app. The InShot app can be able to help you to make your video editing, and it has free edition. It can be able to give you perfect editing, and it's just that the free edition is always have a watermark on it, and for you to escape the watermark you will have to watch a video on an ad in order for those videos in order for the watermark to be out. But you can also subscribe to them by paying for the plan for months in order for you to get far. Another one I'll be recommending you that is very important is the KineMaster. KineMaster is one video editing app that you can use on your phone and you get a perfect video quality. Yes, KineMaster, I will recommend it more than the InShot, because the KineMaster has a lot of features that can be able to run for your rendering, your layout and everything in order for your video to be perfectly well. So all you just need to do is to download it on your Play Store, your Apple Store, and you'll be able to see that you can be able to make good use of it. Then when you install it on your phone, you just need to play around it if you can get it. But if you still want a guidance on how to make use of it, you can still DM me. To do is to download it and then start making good use of it, and then you can decide to remove their watermark by purchasing it for your month. It's not expensive like the KineMaster with 1,400 and something naira. You can be able to purchase it for 1 month and the watermark will be out for those of you who would love to use the KineMaster. Then the next thing, or the next app you'll be using as someone who is starting a YouTube channel with your phone, is the Canva app. Yes, the Canva app. The Canva has the app. You can go to their website too, but using the app is also okay and very nice. So the Canva app will help you for to do your thumbnail, your pictures and whatever thing you want to do. So all you just need to do is to play around all of these things. You see that you get started on it. Another app I will also recommend is the Power Director. The Power Director and the KineMaster, two of them work pari passu, or two of them work together. It's either you are using the KineMaster or you are using the Power Director. Two of them are app for video editing, depending on the one you would love to do, but you can download the two, do your rendering and everything, you get your picture perfectly well. So all these pictures or all these videos you can shoot them and then edit it and render it at 1080p, which is a very perfect video quality. This video was also shot by 1080p, which will give you perfect video quality. When it comes out, you'll be amazed. So the video editing is very nice. It's just for you to play around it. All I will tell you is that as a YouTuber or as someone who is shooting a video, you must make mistakes. So don't think you will not make mistakes. So your apps or your softwares can be able to help you in order for you to render these videos or edit them perfectly. What I've actually done here is me showing you how you can actually start up your own YouTube channel with less than $50,000. Yes, $120. you started up your own YouTube channel with $120 or 50,000 naira. Still waiting. What's stopping you now from getting started? So once you are done watching this video now, you can get started, or you can start making your budget in order for you to get started. When you apply all that I've shown you, or you have applied everything I've told you right now, you will see that you will not find it difficult to get started or get your own YouTube channel ready. So if this video was helpful, please click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification button so that YouTube will always inform you whenever I drop good videos like this, which are helpful. What I do on this channel is to drop tips, tricks on how you can make money online. And please do well to share, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Just type YouTube. It will help me to know that this video has gone a long way, and appreciate it. God bless you.